Connect the bracket to the base and tighten the locking screws. Insert the bracket onto the bracket and tighten the handwheel to secure it. Place the trinocular observation head onto the bracket and tighten the locking screws. Remove the dust cover and insert the eyepiece into the eyepiece tube. Remove the dust cover, install the ring light, and tighten the locking screws. Connect the ring light power cable. Remove the dust cover, install the adapter lens interface, and tighten the locking screws. Install the camera device. Double-click Step 1. Double-click the installation package, select the default options and click Next. Click Finish. Double-click Step 2. Double-click the dongle installation package, select the default options and click Next, then click OK. Double-click Step 3. Install the camera driver by double-clicking it. Select the default options and click Next. Click OK. Place the 0.1 mm scale on the stage. Turn on the ring light and adjust the brightness. Adjust the magnification to your desired setting. Adjust the coarse adjustment and retrieve the image from the eyepiece or computer. Click Load Camera. Click the Acquire button in the lower right corner to acquire a photo. Click Settings. Click Manual Calibration. Draw a horizontal line from 0 to 10. Enter the actual length as 10 mm. Enter the magnification according to the microscope's magnification, changing it to 7x. Continue calibrating accordingly.